Did you know that wind damage to your home's exterior can result from gusts as low as 45 miles per hour? In the aftermaths of the storms that recently hit our community, many homeowners are unaware of the damage their property has sustained. At Xtreme Exteriors, we are proud to be a local home exterior contractor with extensive experience in storm restoration. If you suspect your property has been impacted, we encourage you to book your free, no-obligation home exterior inspection today. Don't weather the storm alone. Trust the experts at Xtreme Exteriors.